I finally did it! I made Lofty. Now, the process. So you're going to be needing paper to start off. This is for the faces. Toilet rolls or other non-corrugated cardboard. I would say 2. This wire probably, or pipe cleaner probably longer. Scissors. Scissors are so important to the process. They're like number 1. 4 of these Lego studs. They are for the hands and feet. And a pen for drawing things to make it easier. You'll need a hot glue gun for obvious reasons. You could use super
blue tack or sticky tack or whatever you want to call it. I don't really care.
Yeah, you'll need felt. It's very important.
Guys, I'm very sorry about this, but I cannot remake this. I would have to use too much stuff. So basically, I'll just show you how I did it. Basically, I got some felt. I made some strips of felt. I put it through a big piece of felt, and then I made the torso and stuff, and then I stuck 2 pipe cleaners down and put this over it for the legs, and detailed the legs, detail. And I stuck 2 Lego studs to the 1 Lego stud to each foot, and then so glue the 2 pieces of felt together, and then stick these on to make the arms with pipe cleaners there, and then to make the hands, just make the hands. You do you, and attach Lego studs to each so that he can hold stuff. For the head, I didn't really put much effort into this. I basically just got a piece of blue tack or sticky tack or whatever you want to call it, and stuck it on, and drew faces on the paper and cut them out, and then yeah, that's kind of it. I made some little jets, and I think those are pretty cool. And I did stick a whole lot of these together to give it a little more 3D-ness. Also, you can twist these, that's the point of having them, and you can turn them by pulling the back. This guy's actually perfect for animation, but he is hard to move.
On to me!
I use mainly the same materials, but for the felt, you need to cut it longer so that you can have a flexible body. He has the same sort of joint here, but for the feet, this is the tricky part. You make little rings, hot glue the inside of them, and then stick it onto a Lego stud and pull it off, like once it's dried out a little. And then it puts the impression of the Lego stud in, and voila. Yeah. I think it's pretty cool, and it's also a whole lot easier to make. It took me like 5 minutes, whereas the other one took me 20 hours. Okay, no, it's just like 2 hours. Yeah. You guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.